up Tourzilla, badass Hertz audio system in it.
Guys, I couldn't be more stoked on Tim, the whole team out here at Audiotistic. These guys have crushed it. The Hertz audio system is incredible. Tourzilla is loud now. You can hear a roar. Check it out. These guys have gone above and beyond. This is incredible. Couldn't be more stoked.
Sorry, I keep laughing. This is a super fun project. But we put a mean audio system in this Tourzilla, custom built for 11 people. Dude, you gotta hit up Dezi.
Speakers right there behind.
He's Big Bear.
We got a sub under there, big old 12-inch Hertz sub. We've got custom hidden boxes in the other.
420 block, gonna take him out of sight. Never gonna catch him, you never have to find. Big Bear, he's iron tough. Big Bear's got a chest like a rug.
We're rocking out the Hertz audio speaker.
He's Big Bear.
The village is gonna be rocking out all year, guys. Thank you, Tim. I couldn't be more stoked. And one more time, couldn't be more stoked, man.
Big Bear. Big Bear.
Check it out. If you guys are up in Big Bear, or plan on going to Big Bear, and want a really fun time,
Big Bear.
and let me adjust this a little. All right, there you go. If you guys are up in Big Bear and are looking for a good time, better call my man Dezi up there. Go cruise around the village, play some music, get some laughs, your cheeks will be hurt.